Yeah, hi all, welcome. We'll start the program in 2 minutes. Please invite your friends. Our participants are going to present their Telegram bots. Please invite your friends. You have to select 3 best bots from the presentations. Yeah, hi all, welcome. Myself Sai Satish, CEO of Indian Servers and President of AMA Society. Today we are going to see some Telegram bots from the participants. Venu Bandi, over to you. Please start the program.
Good evening, everyone. This is Venu Bandi from Andhra Lal Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am a representative of the Indian Servers Software Development Company. And today we are going to see a few amazing and interesting bots by our interns. The first one will be from Mr. Subhani Sheikh.
Subhani Sheikh, please share your screen and show your bot.
Good evening, one and all. I am Subhani Sheikh from Students College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I am going to present a cartoon bot which cartoonizes the given image by using a pencil sketch cartoonization method. And here is the code for it. I have degraded the Telegram bot to 13.7 version, and I have imported the necessary libraries for it. And this is the function for cartoonizing the image, and this is the main function which handles the image. And this is the main function. You see, this code is already running. Let's check our bot is running fine or not. Okay, let's start our bot. Let's give input as image. Let's give Tony Stark. It's loading. Yeah, you can see that this Tony Stark was cartoonized by using pencil sketch method. Let's give Sundar Pichai as an input. Yeah, see this. This was cartoonized by using pencil sketch method. And let's give another image for it. Let's give Mark Zuckerberg as input. And you can see that he was cartoonized by using pencil sketch method. In addition to this, I have also done some additional works for it. Let's stop this cartoonization image method. Now let's run a additional generator which puzzles the given image by taking an input. This is the necessary code for it. And let's start the bot. The code is running. Let's give image for it. Let's give input. This is the Tony Stark again. We are giving it and we are sending it. Let's check what we get. Yeah, this is the puzzled image we get for Tony Stark. And let's give another image of Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah, here it is. Right. Well, we hope so. We get a puzzle image for Mark Zuckerberg. Let's check it. Yes. As you can see that this is a puzzle image for Mark Zuckerberg. Now, one more additional feature for the Telegram bot. Let's stop this code. Wait, let's stop this. And let me run an additional feature which uses Herman grid illusion for the Telegram bot. You all know Herman grid illusion, which is a box illusion. Let's see that. Let's run this code. And this is the necessary code for Herman grid illusion. You can see that this code is running. Let's give input to our Telegram bot. Yeah, let's give Tony Stark again. Let's see what we get. As you can see, this is the output for the input given. As you can see, Tony Stark was illusionized. And let's give another image for it. Let's give similar picture as input. Let's see what we will get as output. Wait, slow. Okay, let's stop that code and see some more additional feature for it. And I have added additional feature for it. Let's see that. Check that. This is the code for which takes input as an image and gives a binary image. It was formed by run this code.
Venu, please continue with the next participant also.
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay, Mr. Shubhani Sheikh. And the next contestant will be Surya Chaudhary. Surya Chaudhary, over to you.
Hello everybody present here. I am Surya Chaudhary. I am pursuing my third year in BTech Computer Science from Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. So today I have medical bots with me. First, I will show you a bot which is named, I have named it as MedWizard. It is a medical assistant bot which will help a normal civilian or anybody who wants to search for any particular disease, diagnose any kind of symptoms if he or she has, as well as together if he or she wants to get a description of a medicine which they are confused of. So this is the code for this, and I will write on demonstrate the bot. So here is the bot. I will just start my bot with a start message. Sorry, I will just run the code. Yep. Yes. So if you read this description, so this medical bot performs with three commands. First is the search command. Then
Sorry, can you share your screen?
Okay, sorry, sir. I don't know. My screen was not
Venu,
sharing.
please take care of that one because I'm right now with my father. I have to take
Yes,
care
sir.
of my father also.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
check such things, Venu.
Sure.
Okay.
Surya, please share your screen.
Sure, sir. Okay. So here is the code for my bot, and after that I will just demonstrate straightforward to my bot. So this is the MedWizard bot. So this takes three commands: search, diagnose, and medicine command. If I go with the search command, if I go with the search command, then after that I can post any query like what is like headache or diabetes or something like that. It will give me a description of what it can be in a short and sweet manner. After that, if I go with the diagnose command, and after that, I just want to give any symptoms like I am having a headache, and then I am having nausea. And anything like that. If I give any symptoms which I am having, feet pain, chest pain, whatever it is, it will diagnose it and it will suggest two types. It will suggest like treatment method. After that, it will also suggest the required medicines which you can take for that problem. After that, the last feature which this bot is having is the medicine feature. That is, and after that, just put the name of any medicine. I will just put, for example, like Dolo 650 or any medicine. It will give me the description of that particular medicine. Yes, it will give me the description of that particular, what is the purpose of the medicine, as well as it will give me the dosage according to the age group, like for adults, children, and what are the side effects of this medicine. So I found that this bot could be really useful for like civilians which are not very open to like medical shops and everything. They could just use this bot quickly and get the information. I have also included one more bot with this feature which you can take help, and this is mainly for health industry. Like my second bot is named is as health disease heart disease classification bot, and it uses different neural networks algorithms to classify different types of diseases in among the patients. So after you start this bot, this is the required code for this bot. After you start this bot is named as cardiac expert. If I start this bot, it will just give me a simple uh, output like welcome to the heart disease classification bot. Please upload your CSV file. This CSV file could be found in the hospital database. What I will show you the example of that database. Like suppose this is the database. Like it will have the patient's age, sex, and after that the blood pressure, cholesterol level, blood sugar level, etc., etc. And if I just pass this CSV file to this bot in desktop. Yes. This will take the CSV file, and if we just wait for 1 minute or two, this bot will give a clear classification of the disease, of the patients who are having the disease or not. Like you can see the data, like the percentage of the patients without heart disease, with the heart disease, then female patients, male patients. After that, it will use different types of neural networks and other algorithms to make a probability which who are the patients who are diagnosed with the disease or not. After that, it will give the graphical representation with every single plot, like count plot, sex ratio plot. Then after that, heart disease as per age, uh, and for as per sex. After that, it will give us classification of human heart rate, meaning maximum heart rate according to the age, and different type of blood at last, and the chest pain as well as the KNN value. At last, it will give the comparison of every single algorithm, which is according to their accuracy, and the hospital database and hospital staff can use this data to like classify the patients who are actually getting a disease or not. It is a pre-trained model which is feeding from a data set which I have fed from Kaggle.com. So these are the bots. Thank you.
Okay, it's looking very good, Saurav. Surya, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
looking very good, Surya. Keep it up. Yeah, next participant, please share your screen.
The next
Venu, please.
participant is Ramya Reddy Siddhamurthy.
Good evening, sir, and fellow students. My name is Ramya Siddhamurthy. I am currently studying in Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering, third year. The purpose of my Telegram bot is brain tumor detection. My model utilizes a convolutional neural network architecture to analyze MRI scans and accurately classify brain tumors. The model is trained on a labeled dataset of 4,600 brain MRI scans. I used a dataset from Kaggle, where each scan is associated with a specific class label indicating the presence or absence of a tumor. During training, the model learns to automatically extract relevant features from MRI images by employing convolutional layers and pooling layers. The pooling layers are then flattened. Here we use the Atom optimizer from Keras, which minimizes the difference between predicted outputs and true labels. This process is repeated for 20 epochs to train the neural network completely. Once the model is trained, it can be used to classify new unseen MRI scans by forwarding them through the network and obtaining the predicted class probabilities or labels. My Telegram bot is called Brain Tumor Classifier. And here, as we can see, I have provided different images, not from the data set. I provided one without a tumor and with a tumor. With a tumor, it provides a high chance of tumor, go to a hospital and begin treatment immediately, and also provides possibility, which is 0.99 out of 1. And without the tumor, it shows no signs of tumor, rest easy, with possibility less than 1 out of 1.00. So this is my Telegram bot, and here the Telegram bot is activated by bot polling. Here is, I integrated my medical bot with the Telegram bot, and once the bot polling is started, we can see this output. So this is my bot. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ramya. That is a wonderful presentation. And the next one is Narayanam Sri
It's very good,
Manikanta.
Ramya. Ramya, your bot is looking very good. I'm expecting a few more image analysis from your bot. Okay. Please add
Okay.
few more features to your bot. It's looking very good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're from which college?
Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology, sir.
Which department?
CSC,
Year?
Computer
Third-
Science.
Second year or third year?
Third year, sir.
Okay, please continue.
Mr. Narayanam Sri Manikanta.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Narayanam Srimanikanta. I'm studying BTech second year from St. Anne's College of Engineering and Technology in the branch of Internet of Things. My Telegram bot is about image enhancement, which contains two features. One is grayscale and another one is beautifying. The code is based on Python libraries, which I have defined grayscale and beautify image. So this is the code, which is basic one, and I will show you the Telegram bot. This is my Telegram bot, which is named Narahari, and here you can see that. Let me give one image, and it will ask two buttons. I integrated this style of buttons. When I select one option, let me select beautify. It will change it. Okay, let me check grayscale. So this is grayscale. This way, whenever we give one image to the Telegram bot, it will ask to change into grayscale or beautify. So this is my Telegram bot. Thank you.
Very good, brother. You can add some more features to your bot. Very good. Next participant, please continue.
Next participant is Mr. Sheikh Abdul.
Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. I am Sheikh Abdul Khadir from Narayan Engineering College, CSC department, and I made this bot. I named it as Banale. And it is the code of the bot. These are the packages that I need to install to run this bot. And here the bot is running. And you can see the functionality of this bot. Firstly, we have to give the text as an input, and it will generate AI generated images and use it input output. And these are some examples of it. See this? And I made this using stable diffusion. And let us see another example for this. Example. Let's say futuristic IoT lab 8K. We can see the image is generating here. And after this is completed, we can see the image here. Let's wait. Yeah, so it's completed. Here you go. This is the futuristic IoT lab image. And I made this inspired by Dale and name, and this name also much similar to Dale. I made this name. I kept this name because I was watching the song Apna Banale before 30 minutes of this session, and I got idea to keep this name. Banale means make it. Like this make the images artificial intelligence generated images. And this is my bot. Thank you.
Yeah, looking very good, Abdul. Are you using stable diffusion for this?
Yes.
Okay. I want one more picture. I am expecting
Yes.
you to make such type of stable diffusion kind of models. Since you're a second year student, you can use these kinds of models, not an issue. But when you reach your third year, at least you have to make such type of models like stable diffusion. Okay.
Yes,
Now I want to see how Mahatma Gandhi looks like when he was 5 years old. Can you show that picture?
Yes, sir.
Just give it a try. Let us see how it looks like.
It's very mistake. Let's see. He's generating the first one. Let's see this. Yeah, he's a photo of Mahatma Gandhi 5 years old.
Okay, but at 5 years he's having mustache here.
Yes,
Oh, fine. So let me ask one more thing.
sir.
How Bill Gates looked like when he was 15 years old? Bill Gates in his 15th year. It's not giving appropriate. Anyways,
Yes,
do one
yes, yes.
thing, Abdul.
Yes, sir.
Just integrate this particular content with OpenAI. OpenAI will describe the picture.
Yes.
It will give output from OpenAI. You'll get output from OpenAI. Just
So, but
pass the output to this stable diffusion. Then you'll get appropriate results. Are you getting
okay.
what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This description should be sent to text to
OpenAI.
text generation model. You take
Okay.
OpenAI, then it will generate a text. You pass
Yes,
that particular text to stable diffusion, then you will get good results. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm
And
expecting
also
some, yeah.
and also
I'm
it is not
expecting
using any API also, sir.
Okay.
It's
I'm
just running
expecting
local.
some medical related bots from your end. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Make few medical related bots also.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Over
sir.
to you,
Thank you.
Venu. Please continue with next participant.
Next participant is Mr. D. Vignesh.
Hello guys, my name is Vignesh. Currently, I am pursuing BTech third year at Narayana Engineering College, Nellore. Now I am here to discuss about my project known as Pneumonia Detection Bot. As we can see here, the code starts by installing the necessary packages such as transformers and ultralight displays and so on. Here, I have integrated the code in the Telegram bot, so I have installed the Py Telegram bot API and requests. Here, the bot token is used here. I have used the pre-trained model known as Nikmuchi width-based X-ray pneumonia model. The width preprocessor model is used to load the image. It is the device set is used to give the availability of CPU or GPU message. Now, the message and the start method is used to give the reply when I send the message and start. Welcome to I have given here. Welcome to the pneumonia detection bot. Now let us see the working of the bot. First, I am sending the start as an input to the bot.
Wait, Vignesh, actually you have shared only browser. We're unable to see your Google desktop. Do one thing, just stop sharing your screen, reshare, then select Google Telegram desktop or share all screen.
Okay.
We're still seeing your browser. Just stop sharing your screen. I'll guide you, Vignesh. Stop sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen. Okay. Now we can see your select Telegram desktop. Are you executing again from scratch?
No, sir. Sir, is it visible now, sir?
Yeah, it's visible now. Select Telegram desktop once. Now total desktop is visible.
I'm selecting the Telegram. Sir, is it visible?
No, yeah. We can see Telegram desktop now.
Hello guys, sorry for the
I think
interruption.
you have stopped backside pooling command. Just cross check whether it is working or not. If it is not working, just run that particular cell again.
Sir, is it running? It is running, sir.
Okay, fine. There may be a small delay. Okay, please continue.
Okay, guys. Now I'm sending the start message as input to the bot. I have got the reply as welcome to the pneumonia detection bot. Okay, now I'm sending one of the X-ray as an input. Now I'm selecting this one. I'm sending. Is it loading? Yeah. For this image, the pneumonia is detected, and the confidence level of pneumonia is 0.8. That means it has very high pneumonia. Now I'm selecting another X-ray. Now I'm sending this one as an input. Yeah, for these lungs are very healthy. As you can see here, the probability of pneumonia is only 0.2. Now let us see for the last one. This X-ray. As we can see here, the pneumonia is detected for this X-ray, and for this also it has 0.8 probability. Thank you.
Yeah, very good, Vignesh. I'm expecting some more models from you. Which pre-trained model are you using for this? Can you show us a pre-trained model?
Okay, sir.
The code, please show us the code.
I have used this pre-trained model known as Nikmuchi width-based X-ray model from the Hugging Face.
Okay. Experiments Tumor pre-trained model. Just compare the results. Let us know which is giving the best one. Okay.
I have compared more than 2 or 3, sir. I think this is a mixed model.
2 or 3 not enough.
And
Make it more.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vignesh.
Thank you.
Very good. Keep it up. Yes, Venu, over to you. Please continue with next participant.
Next participant is Kedari Priya.
Kedar Priya, you're on mute. Please unmute yourself and share your screen.
A pleasant evening, everyone. I'm Kedari Priya, machine learning intern at Indian Service, and also a member of esteemed Aimer Society. Well, I've made a Telegram bot called Stellar GPT. These are all the required libraries that have been installed from Python. I've chosen Python because it's one of the easiest languages, of course. And the main functionality of my bot is to chat with people, interact with people dynamically, and also to have a fun little part in creating images and modifying images. So this is the entire code. Actually, I've trained an NLP model, and unfortunately, I could not. I've searched everywhere for an database, and unfortunately, I could not find a data set that could exactly replicate my needs. So I've made my own data set. And as Sir said, we could not expect accuracy from a freshly trained model. But however, accuracy is what we need exactly in while dealing medical stuff. So I've decided to use the power of OpenAI API. We see I've written the code for handling the start command, help command, lifestyle command, and image command. This is the code, and let's go with the Telegram bot. So this is my Telegram bot, Stellar GPT.
That's it, Kedar Priya, or you made few more things.
Sir, I'm going to show how it's going to work.
Okay, please show.
I've shared my screen, Telegram, isn't it?
No, it's not visible. Your only browser is visible. Please stop sharing your screen and reshare screen. Select all.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, select desktop, Telegram desktop.
Yes, sir. So I've given the start command. My bot is polling right now. Let's go with this. If we give the diagnose command, our bot is going to reply with the necessary tests that we are going to require while diagnosing a disease. Let's go with breast cancer. So mammogram, ultrasound, MRI, biopsy, these are all the tests required to confirm breast cancer. And also we can chat with my model. We can ask very simple questions like what is light? What are goals? This model is mainly intended to be interactive to the user, and also apparently half of the Indians have been suffering from lifetime diseases such as diabetes, reduced eyesightedness, etc. So I've decided to include this as well, lifestyle changes, and let me enter a condition like reduced eyesightedness, which apparently most of the people have. And the lifestyle changes to avoid reduced eyesightedness is like wearing sunglasses, quit smoking, etc. And one more feature of my bot is to be it's just a fun little part. And let me give it an image. It's going to generate caricature as well as the cartoonized version. Let me give another image. This caricature and animator are completely made with Python libraries. There are no API keys for them. And this is the functionality of my bot.
Very good, Kedar Priya. I'm expecting image to text. One of the participant bot is if you give some CT scan or MRI scan, it is generating some reports, right?
Yes,
So
sir, I've tried that
please
too.
start working on similar kind of projects also.
Yes, sir.
Yours is okay, make it great. Okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. All the best. Next participant, please.
Next participant is Mr. Himasai.
Good evening, sir. My name is Himasai of second year IT from the Nekla Institute of Engineering and Technology. Sir, I have built a Telegram bot that takes input as a country name and it gives a capital as output as part of my internship. Here, I installed necessary packages like py Telegram bot API, py country, and geo names catchy. In order to install the Python module, we need pip as a framework to manage the packages required to install the modules. Once the module is installed, we can verify it by creating an empty Python program file and writing an import statements like telebot py country and geo names catchy. I have mentioned some few countries and capitals in this code. So let me show the output. Here I am entering the country name and it gives the capital. So it shows the New Delhi as an output. And
yeah, which year, Himasai?
I'm second year, sir.
Second year. Okay. In third year, you have to make some medical model. This is okay.
Sure,
This is okay. Being a second year student, you can work on such type of bots. But when you reach your third year, you have to build your own NLP models and your own CNN models. And you have to inference through these kinds of Telegram bots. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
Can you complete that in 3 months? I'll give you 3 months time. Can you work on first type of projects?
Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
Just starting these kinds of bot is good. Starting is okay. But when you're presenting in such type of platforms, we expect more from you. Okay.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Please continue.
Yes, sir. This is the output we get. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm expecting some medical related bots from you within 3 months.
Okay, sir.
CNN based, NLP based.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Over to you, Venu. Please continue with next participant.
Next participant will be Sheikh Shafi.
Yeah, Himasai, you can stop sharing your screen.
Hello, good evening to all. My name is Sheikh Shafi and I am from Methodist College of Engineering. Currently, I am pursuing third year and I am doing an internship in Indian servers under CEO of Sai Satish. Today, I am here to explain about tumor detector. Why tumor detector? First, why tumor detection I choose as a project. One of the primary reasons for using a tumor detector is early detection and diagnosis of cancer. Detecting tumor at early stage crucially for effective treatment and improve patient outcomes. Tumor detector play a critical role in early detection, diagnosis, and monitoring of tumor. Secondly, I have used two codes. One code is based on NLP and another code is based on neural networks. I use expert system and I have used ResNet 18 as a model, as a neural network, which detects object detection, image segmentation, face recognition, medical images analysis. It is pre-trained an ImageNet C410, C400, Vico 2007 MS Coco. Here is my overview of code. I use module Torch Vision, CV2, Telebot, IO Bytes, IO, NumPy. We are familiar with NumPy and Pandas and Telebot, but IO.bytes IO converts image data into bytes. Then it is analyzed by ResNet, which is a CNN-based model neural network, which classify photon by photon image. And I used CV2 for object detections like photon in images. I imported libraries like Torch Vision, Torch, Model, CV2, Telebot, and Bytes.io. Here's my body of the code. I use a pre-trained model from Hugging Face, ResNet 18, which is a neural network. And I used handlers and file. I used a main function called prediction, which predict image from user and give predictions on probability of image photons. If the threshold value of this is 0.5, then it is normal. If the threshold value is less than 0.5, it is normal. If it is greater than 0.5, then probability of tumor detecting is high. I use this in how to interact with my Telegram bot. And I also used ML. Let me show you how my Telegram bot works. This is my code. Firstly, I loaded my pre-trained model RSNet 18. Secondly, I imported my bot token. Everything I use as message handlers, which takes photo from user. Then it converts into file ID, which is which it's taken as JPG. And then it try to take images. If the image format is invalid, then it shows invalid. Then it shows the prediction by converting the user image into byte by byte. Then it is analyzed by ResNet 18 neural network. Then it is converted into bytes again. Then picture is analyzed. It shows picture analyzed. Then prediction is generated. Let me show how it works. Not only pneumonia, not only brain tumor, it also detects breast cancer and more. This is my Telegram bot. Let me start with pneumonia. It shows only the probability. Yes, it shows 0.67, means that it is not a pneumonia phase. And where comes as brain tumor? No pneumonia, no brain tumor. Breast cancer? No breast cancer. If the value is 0.5, more than 0.5, then the image is concerned as, then the X-ray is concerned as a tumor. And I already, I've created a code for ML. Here I used a train model. By using Hugging Face, I used an NLP model which trains images, and here it works. I integrated it with web page user interface. Let me cover it. Program is running. Streamlit. I integrated it using Streamlit. I trained about 198 brain tumor images. When I browse, I upload it. It shows positive tumor by detecting it by using NL. Thank you all. Hello.
Very good, Shafi. It looking good. Can you do one more thing, like adding some report kind of stuff? You are
Okay,
just
sir.
mentioning whether tumor exists or not, right? If you can make a
Okay, sir.
simple model, so and so size is a tumor, and it harmless or harmful. So
Yes, sir.
we do so and so treatment for this. Can you add more
Okay.
such type of diagnosis information?
Okay, sir. I will use database.
Yeah. Spot
Okay.
also, if you can detect the spot where exactly instead of just classification, if you can make
Okay, sir.
the detection part,
Okay,
that
sir.
also adds a lot of value.
Okay, sir.
And I'm expecting a web UI also, web related UI, where
Yeah, sir.
doctors will.
I have generated.
Okay. Doctors directly will upload the image. They will
Here
get
it
the
is.
information directly. Okay.
Here it is. Created a web user interface. This is the user interface. Here you can upload images and it shows the positive tumor or not.
Okay. Make it levels also, multiple levels.
Okay, so I will use machine learning to detect the spot and report as well.
Sure, sure. All the best. It's looking good.
Thank you.
Shafi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Over to you, Venupandi.
The next participant will be Joharika.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Joharika. I am studying BTech second year in the stream of Data Science in St. Anne's College of Engineering and Technology. I have done dental cavity detector bot. I have loaded my file that contains the image of this dental tooth, and here I have typed it into this folder, and I have installed libraries. OpenCV, Python, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Python, Telegram bot, and I have
There is
run
some
this
voice
code.
disturbance from your end. Venu, is that the issue? Or
Yes, sir. Same
network
problem.
issue from my end?
Same problem. Now we can see her screen, sir.
Yes. Joharika, please go a little slow because there is some lag in your end.
Okay, sir. Here is my code. I have given train and test data for this, and I have run it. It uses epoch 10 epochs for running the code. This is my Telegram on start. It will ask for your tooth. I'm giving the image. Yes, I'm going to desktop. I am giving the X of my tooth image. It will predict whether cavity is present or not. One minute, it's loading. Yeah, cavity is present. Now I am giving another image.
Joharika, we are able to see your browser only. Your Telegram desktop is not visible. Please stop sharing your screen, reshare it, select Telegram desktop or select whole screen. So you're from IoT department of St. Anne's or CSC
Data
department?
Science department, sir.
Data Science department. Okay,
Yes.
very good.
So now is it able to see?
Wait, there is a small lag is there. Please hold on. We'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can see it now.
Now I'm giving another image. It will check whether cavity is present or not and will give the reply as cavity is present or not present. You will give either X-ray or real-time images. It will predict. That's giving this opportunities.
Yeah, it looks good, Joharika. add few more features like what kind of things we have to take care. Like if there is any issue with the teeth, what kind of food we have to take, and
Okay, sir.
such type of diagnosis also you can add to your bot. Not just about dental, you can add a few more features to your bot. Shafi has demonstrated you can give X-ray related to any part of the body. It is
Okay.
just suggesting whether tumor exists or not, right? You can add for multi models also you can make.
Okay,
It's
sir.
good, Joharika. Continue. Yes, Venubandi, any more participants?
Yes, sir. 2 more left.
Okay, please continue.
The next one will be Aparna.
Hello, sir. Hi. Hello, everyone. I am Arpana. I'm from Department Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and from College G. Narayanam. My bot is a medical bot I have developed recently. The purpose of the bot is that to provide assistance to medical conditions and give information related to these conditions, like treatment, medications, and disease information. My bot leverages artificial intelligence and NLP to understand users' queries and generate responses according to the required questions. There are 3 inputs that you can give in my bot. It is a patient symptoms, where you give all types of symptoms and it generates treatment for these symptoms. That's the output. Disease details, like the disease name is an input and description of that disease is an output. And medicine description, medicine name and description of that medicine. Now I'm taking you through the code. I've used Telegram bot API in this, and I have used a model called Text Darwin C 03, and there are 3 parts in my bot, as there are 3 inputs. One is that treatment with disease details and medicine description, and also with patient symptoms, you get the treatments. I've used Python handler to give certain messages. And now I'm showing you the output. These are the before inputs I have given until now. When we start, you get how welcome, how can I assist you? And this is how you give inputs to the bot, and then it gives the output regardingly. For back pain, it is giving you the treatments, like using anti-inflammatory medicines, like ibuprofen or naproxen, or to reduce the inflammation and relieve pain. For COVID, it is giving you all the symptoms you get. And for aspirin, it is giving you the description, a brief description of that medicine. Now let's try giving another. I'm going to start now. Okay, we will start by giving the patient symptoms. We can actually add multiple symptoms in this. I'm going with increased thirst and frequent urination, hunger, fatigue, and blurred vision. It has given you, these are the symptoms for diabetes, and what you should literally seek medical attention and go visit a doctor. This treatment typically includes lifestyle changes and all that, with healthy diet etc. Now we will go with disease details. I'm going with diabetes. So you have got all the other symptoms, including the symptoms we have given before. And now we go with medicine details. With insulin. These are the results. It has given us the description of the insulin and why is it used for. Thank you so much.
Very good, Aparna Reddy. Which year are you right now?
I am second year, sir.
Okay, second year from AI department. From second year, you can use OpenAI, no problem. But within 1 or 2 months, you have to start using some pre-trained models. From next year, you have to train your own models and you have to make state-of-art models. Okay, please start making your own models from today itself. You can start making your own models. Please start working on that. Yes. Next participant, please.
Yes, sir. The last participant will be Mr. M. Pardasarathi.
Yeah, hello everyone. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, Pardasarathi, we can see.
Your screen is visible.
Yeah, okay. So good evening, everyone. Myself, Pardasarathi. Currently, I am pursuing third year, BTech third year in CSC department at Andhra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vijayawada. So I created a Telegram bot which will take image as an input and it will beautify the image. First, I will show you the output and how it's working. Then I will explain the code so that you can, after seeing the working of the Telegram bot, you can easily identify the, you can easily understand the code. Okay. First, I will just run the code. Yeah. Okay. So by starting the bot, you will get these instructions. So these are the commands available and these are the features. So first we have to upload an image. So yeah, I will upload this image. So the beauty of this bot is it will take dark images or low light images and it will beautify the images and add some colors to it. Colors means it adds some lighting to it. So the command is beautify. Yeah, here I can see the output. So the input is a dark image and it is low light. But the output it was generated is a fully lighted image and the objects are classified clearly and it is fully lighted. And the second feature is it will convert this into a black and white image also by this BW command. This is the second feature. So you can see there is no colors, it is completely black and white. And the last one is it will cartoonize the image. It will convert into an anime. So let's wait. Yeah, it will cartoonize the image. So it cartoonize the image based on the grayscaling. Okay, this is the sample
demonstration of the Telegram bot. Yeah, you may see that it may only work for low light images, but it also not only that, it also works for the normal images also. I will show you. Yeah. Okay. See, it is not that much dark. Okay, this is a normal image. It will work for this image also. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it will work for this image. So this is the demonstration of the Telegram bot. So now I will explain the source code for it. So this is the source code. So in this I use these modules where Telebot is the interface bridge between the Telegram bot and your source code. Mainly I used Pillow and OpenCV. So Pillow is the image manipulation module, and OpenCV is a computer vision module. I'll use time to save the image. Time is used to give name to the image. Okay, and the next the main starts here. So when we upload an image, it will store the image locally in all local storage. And next, to beautify the image, this is the magical part here. So you can see that the low light images are converted to light images. So because of this, these two lines. So what is doing is we are converting the BGR image to the lab image. Lab image means light green plus blue images. So why we are converting means we have to get the lightness of the image. So why? Because this is a low light image, right? So we have to increase the light in the image. So to increase the light in the image, we have to access the lightness in the image. So that's why I converted this to the lab images. And next, using the histogram equalization. So using histogram equalization, I will this bot will increase the lightning based on the histograms. So basically, what we'll do is this clock. What we'll do is it will divide this whole image into small segments of histograms, and those histograms are called as grids here, and it will enhance the grids by adding some brightness, color, and lighting. So you may think that how that histogram will identify the objects in the image. So for that thing, what it will do is we match that one, and also here we apply grayscaling for that to identify the objects here. See here we apply some threshold and use a lapsation grayscaling for that. Because of this grayscaling and some threshold, it will calculate the edges and apply the lightning and enhancement of the image. So this is the just brief of my Telegram bot. So thank you everyone. Thank you Sasith sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone.
Okay, very good, brother. Parthu, I'm medical models also from you next time. Yeah, thank you all participants for joining today's session. And you have to select 3 best models from the list of these presentations. Over to you, Venu. Please conclude the topic.
So, okay, thank you everyone for your healthy participation and also explaining about the medical-based bots. Though you are from the engineering background, we are glad to hear the medical-based bots, and we appreciate for your research. And thank you everyone. And sir, what about the positions?
Let participants decide and let them message me in WhatsApp. So first 3 best bots will get cash prizes. Okay. Yes. Thank you all participants. See you soon in the next session.